Cucumber is 96% water, making it a hydrating addition to the DIY skin treatments as well as being extremely safe for the sensitive skin people. Hi guys, my name is Zakira and today we are going to make some DIY skincare using cucumbers, which is a mask, toner and my favorite gel. So let's get into it. First off, we are making a cucumber mask, and for that I am cutting this cucumber about 1/3 of a cucumber and I'm going to grind it in a mixer. So cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties, plus they are loaded with antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and folic acid, which calms the inflammation in the body, reduces redness, puffiness and blemishes. Also, cucumbers are lightly astringent, which helps to cleanse the skin and tighten pores. You can add a little bit of water if it's hard to blend. This mask is great for sensitive, acne-prone or oily skin people. Now I'm going to take about a tablespoon of cucumber paste, and my spoon is really tiny, so I'm taking 2. And in that I'm going to add some oats powder. Oats can soak up the excess oil on your skin and help treat acne as well as gently exfoliate the skin. And mix it well and apply it on your face. This mask can also be used if you have a sunburn or irritated skin. It will soothe the skin with its cooling effects. I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with plain water. Also, if you're liking the video until here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And the mask left my skin so calmed down and so nourished. Now the second thing that we are making is the cucumber toner, and for that I'm going to use the same cucumber paste. Just strain the water out of the paste using a sieve or a cheesecloth, and I'm going to pour it in a bottle like that. You can use a spray bottle too, but I'm using whatever's available right now, but a spray bottle would be ideal. Now I'm going to take some rice water, and this is normal rice soaked in water for about 1 hour. I'm going to add that into the bottle. And your soothing and calming DIY face toner is ready. You just need to pat it on your skin after you wash your face, and the rice water will help with large pores and the cucumber will help with hydrating and nourishing the skin. You need to store this in the refrigerator to keep it good. The life of this toner will be 2 weeks in the refrigerator. As it has rice water in it, the smell will be a little funky after a few days, which is absolutely normal. Now the third and the final thing is the cucumber gel, and for that I'm taking the same juice which is strained, and I'm taking it in an empty tub, and to that I'm going to add some aloe vera. This is store-bought aloe vera gel, and I'm going to mix this together. Both the things are in equal measure. Now mix it well and it is ready to use. This gel can be used when your skin is breaking out, clogging up or irritated. It is really soothing and it is great for sensitive and acne prone skin. I would recommend you to store this in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a month. Well, cucumber can also be used to get rid of puffiness around the eyes and really tired and stressed eyes. So let me know if you want a video on that and we can make that happen. So that was it for today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the big thumbs up and comment and subscribe to this channel. And you can press here to watch my other skincare videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.